Have you ever been shocked by the price of bagged soil at the garden center? It's just dirt, but it can feel like you're buying bags of gold. The cost alone can make gardening seem out of reach for many people. But here's the secret. The best soil doesn't come from a store. It comes from your own backyard, and it's free. By using kitchen and garden waste, you can create rich, living soil that outperforms anything you can buy. The key is layering. Think of it as making a lasagna for your plants. Alternate carbon-rich browns and nitrogen-rich greens to build fertile soil teeming with life. Store-bought mixes are often sterile, but your homemade soil is a living ecosystem that holds moisture, feeds plants, and builds strong roots. You're not just saving money, you're building a foundation for a thriving garden. Let's break down the free ingredients you need. Browns and greens. Browns are carbon sources, fallen leaves, twigs, shredded cardboard, and newspaper. They create structure and feed beneficial fungi. Greens are nitrogen sources, fresh grass clippings, fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. These kickstart decomposition and add nutrients. Avoid meat, dairy, oily foods, pet waste, and diseased plants to keep your soil healthy and pest-free. For a boost, add a scoop of your existing garden soil or finished compost. This introduces helpful microbes that break down your materials. With every meal and yard cleanup, you're gathering ingredients for better soil. It's a simple, sustainable cycle that turns waste into garden gold. Ready to build? For containers, start with sticks or wood chips for drainage, then add browns, and top with greens and a bit of compost or soil. You can plant right into this top layer. For raised beds, lay cardboard to block weeds, then alternate layers of browns and greens. About 2 parts brown to 1 part green. Water each layer lightly as you go. Finish with a few inches of compost or soil on top for planting. The layers below will break down over time, feeding your plants. For planting trees or shrubs, mix your dugout soil with chopped leaves or compost before refilling the hole. This helps roots transition and thrive. Don't stress about perfection. Nature is forgiving. These methods create rich, fertile ground for anything you want to grow. The beauty of this method? You can plant right away. As the layers decompose, they feed your plants and improve the soil. Over time, the soil level drops, a sign your materials are turning into rich humus. Just top up with more layers each season to keep the cycle going. Cover your soil with mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and feed the soil life. Healthy, living soil means less work and better harvests. Start small if you like. 1 pot or 1 bed is enough to see the difference. You'll save money, reduce waste, and grow stronger, healthier plants. Gather your ingredients and start building a greener, more abundant garden right at home.